How to change server in Valorant. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Valorant server. So if you want to play in a different region, follow along step by step to get it done. Alright, let's dive in. First, open any browser on your PC, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the search bar, type Change Valorant Server. Next, you'll see the official Riot link about changing your region of residence. Click on it, and it'll take you to a page that looks like this. Scroll down. Here, you'll need to sign in. Click the Sign In button and log in with your Riot account. Once you're logged in, hit Check to see your current region. If it says your region is already correct, don't worry. We'll go further. Scroll down to the section that says, Need more help? Contact us, and click Submit a Ticket. Now you'll see a few options. First, choose Account Management, Data Request, or Deletion. Then, from here, select the platform you play Valorant on. After that, in subject box type Change Server. Next, choose Account Management, and then select Need help changing the region of residence or country assigned to account. Here's the key step. Explain why you want to change your region. Make sure your reason is valid and that you actually live in the new region. Once that's done, click Submit, and Riot's support team will guide you from there. And that's it. While there's no instant switch server button, this is the proper way to get your account set up on a new Valorant region. If this helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. I'll see you next time.